The old neighborhood is gone forever, but the memories live on. Remember that joint with the great sandwiches? How about that one place with the best spaghetti ever? Great pizzas, great burgers, full meals and satisfying snacks. That was what was great about the old neighborhood. We've recreated those old neighborhood classics, and we're bringing them to you. This is Old Neighborhood Cooking.
Welcome to Old Neighborhood Cooking. Today we're doing breakfast. And this is going to be a very special breakfast. We have a loaf of really good Italian-style bread. It's a whole loaf that I'm going to slice pretty thick. We have raspberry preserves that we got in a little shop in Three Oaks, Michigan. And we're going to make a French toast. This is a pain perdu framboise. So it's going to be a little special thing. At Shabby's, we would do breakfast for lunch as a special once in a while, and it always sold out. One of those things was this secret little French toast thing that we did with a little pocket of raspberry preserve. Really makes it tasty. In the batter for the French toast, I'm also putting a cream liqueur. So I have a little bit of cream liqueur. We have the fresh eggs. We'll be cracking those, getting everything set up. But as I've always said, mise en place is the key to a successful breakfast. Mise en place is when you put all of your ingredients together so that as you start your preparation, you're not here and then, oh, I have to go and get this over there, and here, and oh, I got to stop and do that. It's putting everything in place before you begin. We have everything that we need for our breakfast, our special, and what we're doing is I took nice thick slices of the Italian bread and I'm cutting a little pocket into each one. Just a small little pocket, just a little quick cut in the bottom of each one, and that will be the pocket where we will put the raspberry jam. So we have the liqueur is in. We're mixing the eggs with heavy cream. Actually, I'm using half and half for this one. I've got a little bit of sugar in this batter. And this is the little pot of raspberry preserves. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the raspberry preserve and stuff it into this little pocket. So we don't need a lot. It's nice and solid as we begin. It's going to melt and soak through the bread as it cooks. Okay, so now we're cooking the bacon. I'm just slowly cooking all this bacon. I have it on a dish with paper towel to absorb that grease. Okay, so we're swirling a little bit of butter. We're going to soak the bread in the batter. And begin our French toast experience. Pain perdu, the lost bread. This is a special pain perdu because with this one you're going to have a little treat, that special little pocket of raspberry preserves. Alright, so we've got the first side done. We'll flip it over. Perfect. Nice little bit of golden brown, and as you can see, the raspberry is beginning to melt and soak into the bread. The boys and I are having our breakfast, and it's the French toast with a little raspberry pocket, and it's wonderful. How's it tasting? Everything good? All right, great. So we'll see you next time on Old Neighborhood Cooking. Enjoy. Okay, that's a wrap in the kitchen. Mike, go ahead and read the script. We'll let the credits play.
Okay.
Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions Video Team, the DLC Media Group, and Cup Sound Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Productions. Research, legal, and professional services provided by Firm of Cups, Portuese, Buffa, and Paraskevich.
Wake up! Is that the only way to get through to you? Do what they all do? Bust like a hot water balloon?
Doc, what's...
You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Qigong and Tai Chi forms have been practiced for thousands of years as means of achieving and maintaining positive health through the unobstructed flow of life's energy, Qi. Join us now as we present the therapeutic Qigong forms developed by Gary P. KPBP TV is proud to offer you Morning Energy Qigong. We've gone back to those old neighborhood places, the corner pizzerias, bars, burger joints, and white tablecloth fancy steakhouses. We have recreated many of those great old favorite recipes, and we are here to share them with you. Watch ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, here on KPBP TV for recipes, techniques, and tips for making those old favorites yourself.